8-2 should be page 451, 452. Put your name at the top if you haven't already done so. Another sidebar of, if you don't know to recognize these coins right away, you need to start practicing these with those flashcards we sent home yesterday. First thing I would suggest doing is taking your pencil and then writing the values. Now, some of you might be able to mentally add those. Once you see those values, you can write them in on the lines. You get 50 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1. Now, I did it sequentially from greatest to smallest. So essentially all you're doing is 5 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 equals. And some of it's mental math. Some of you could stack. Like if you don't know 50 plus 10 here, you could stack it and say 50 plus 10 is 60. Plus 5 more is 65, plus 1 more is 66 cents. Now, if you don't have the cent sign, we got an issue. It's not right. So that would be my first tip of the day. It says count on to find the total value of coins. 50 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1. 50 plus 10 is 60. 60 plus 10 is 65. And 65 plus 1 is 66. Hannah has these coins. How many cents does Hannah have? Count them. Add. And I would start with the biggest to smallest across. Now I would draw a picture. It says Mary has 3 dimes and 2 nickels. How many cents does she have? So 3 dimes, 1, 2, 3, and 2 nickels. That's what you're adding together. Now you have to know that dimes are worth how much and nickels are worth how much. Dimes are worth 10. Nickels are worth 5. Now this is all jumbled up. This is nice because dimes and nickels, they're across, biggest to smallest. This has nickels, quarters, dimes, pennies. So quarters, my biggest, I only have one of them, 25. Dimes, my next biggest, 10 and 10. 4 nickels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5. And 3 pennies, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1. A lot of money to add together. 25 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. My suggestion is you don't have a 100 chart, get one if you need a 100 chart. If you don't, and you can do mental math, then it's 25 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Write your total. How many cents? Draw 4 coins that have a value of 20 cents. So 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 20 cents. Let's draw them in. Questions about the front? Great. On the back, it says Greg's science class wants to sort these coins by their color. What's the total value of the silver coins? This is silver. Doesn't ask you to sign all of them, just the silver coins. Add them together. Total. Draw the fewest number of coins to show 80 cents. Now, I'll tell you this. The fewest means the smallest. So we want to go as few of coins as possible. I'll give you a hint. Start with a $50 50-cent piece. And I can continue with write a story about finding 75 cents, draw the coins. So you got to think, the higher level thinking is that 75 cents, I got to figure out what coins are going to equal that first, then I got to write my story. So I can't write that Ellie walks along the street and finds 75 cents. That's not going to work. And then she loses 12. How many are left? No, you have to find 75 cents. So I could put that Berkeley. Please don't write Berkeley in your story. Finds 1 quarter. Right? And quarter's 25 cents. So far, so good. I need to get to 75. You need to write a story that says they get to 75, and it says draw the coins. Well, that's 25 so far. I got to get to 75. You can go any way you want. I'm just saying that that's what you need to do. And then it says Lydia has 3 coins. The total value is 40 cents, which she has 1 quarter and 1 nickel. And then she has a question mark coin. 25 plus 5. And then figure out how much is left to add together to get 40 in our piggy bank. If you have any questions, come see me. Again, this is going to come down to, do you know your coins or not? If you do, it should be easy. If you don't, use those flashcards.